there, today I have a Stitchfix to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it's an online styling service, and I've been doing Stitchfix for probably about 3 years or so now, and I do really like it, and it's actually probably my favorite of all the services. And for Stitchfix, I do it actually once a month, so this is my December fix. But anyway, I'll put some information about how the service works down in the description box below. I'll also put my friend Leslie's referral link, which gets you a $50 credit, and she gets a $50 credit if you want to check it out. And Leslie also wanted me to thank, I think one of you signed up using her link last month, so she asked me to please thank Courtney G for signing up using her link. So Courtney G, thank you. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so this month I have a pretty normal size box, but it does feel pretty compact. Okay, and here is what the box looks like inside. You always get a prepaid mailer to send everything you don't want back, and a packet of information. Okay, and here's a look at my bundle. Looks good, huh? So one thing I really like about Stitchfix is they always give you some style cards. And here's a peek at them. And these are really useful, I think, for helping you style the items that you get. So actually I've gotten some really good ideas from these style cards. And one thing that I always wear now are denim jackets with dresses, and that's something I never wore before Stitchfix. So thank you Stitchfix, and Holly, who is my stylist, yay! So I've had Holly as my personal stylist for like I would say 99% of my fixes, from almost the beginning. So yeah, so I've been really fortunate because Holly, I feel, really gets my style and has really helped me to dress better. So I'm gonna go ahead and read my note, and what I'll do is I'll scan it and put it up above somewhere so you can read it too, but I'm gonna go ahead and read it. Okay, so yeah, so you know, I really do appreciate Holly, and she's just the sweetest person. I've never met her personally, but I feel like I do, just based on having had her as my stylist for all these years. And you know, she just seems so nice. I mean, her personality really shines through in her notes. Okay, but anyway, so Holly sent me some casual clothes because I told her that I was gonna be off for the holidays, and I'm gonna be hanging out with my 2 girls, maybe going shopping, doing those kind of things. And so this is a holiday casual fix. And the first item in my box is actually this top. And coincidentally, this is the same top I am wearing in a different color. But I didn't get this from Stitchfix. I got this from, I think, Golden Tote as a surprise item. But I do really like this top. And I can tell why she sent me this green one, because it's more of a Christmassy top with the colors, and it is really cute, and I do like the style. It's very easy to wear. Okay, so this top is from Fun to Fun. It's the Callum Tulip sleeve blouse in dark green. Yeah, and actually, I don't know if you guys know this, but with Stitchfix you can buy things directly from their site. So I think this is something they're just rolling out. I think it's called Shop My Style or something like that. Shop Your Looks. So like if you go into your website, there's a tab that says Shop. So if you click on Shop, you can see all the items that you've purchased in the past, and you can repurchase them or purchase them in different colors. So I thought that was pretty cool. I actually haven't done this yet, but you know, I've been tempted, because there are some things that I really love, like for example, these studio blue jeans that I got last fix, I think. Oh my gosh, I wore them twice already, and they're awesome. They're just amazing jeans. They're so comfortable, and they don't stretch out while you wear them. They look good all day. So in case you're wondering, the studio blue jeans really worked out. Okay, but anyway, sorry, got off topic. Okay, and anyway, for this Fun to Fun top, the price is $38. So yeah, I think this is really cute, and we'll see. I have a feeling this is gonna work out for me. Alright, next. Ooh, wow, this is really cute. Okay, it's this top. This is by the brand Skies Are Blue, and it's a size medium petite. So this is a petite size. It's the Padenia tassel detail split neck top in navy. And this one, oh, it's more expensive. It's $58. Okay, so this looks like it's a rayon top, but you know, actually I've had some rayon tops from this brand, Skies Are Blue, before, and they've actually washed well. So I think this should be okay. It looks a little big though, even though it's a petite. It's a very boxy cut, but yeah, I like it. It's different. Okay, next. Okay, it's another cute top, and this is by, this is really cute actually, and look at this. It has these buttons in the back, and the material is very, very soft. Okay, this is by Pink Clover. It's the Daisee button back detail knit top in dark purple, size medium. And this one is $34, so that's not bad. And remember, with Stitch Fix, if you do have a 5 for 5 and you keep all 5, you get 25% off. And I haven't had one in ages, so I'm kind of due, so we'll see. Okay, next. It's a dress, and this is just a very soft, comfortable knit dress. It's a t-shirt dress. Oh, and it does have a pocket. This is by Mix by 41 Hawthorn, and it's the Alison knit t-shirt dress. And this, I'm sure, is a Stitch Fix brand, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so just a very basic dress in a size medium. Okay, and lastly, ooh, I got a pair of jeans, and she said these are girlfriend jeans, so they're gonna be more a relaxed fit. And I've never had this brand JUDY Blue before. Wasn't the other one called Studio Blue? And now this one's called JUDY Blue. Wonder if it's related. Okay, so this is the JUDY Blue Arlene Girlfriend Jean. It says Indigo 6, but then when I'm looking at the sizing on the jeans itself, it says 29.9. So usually I'm a 28, so I'm not sure if this one is mislabeled. Yeah, it says JUDY Blue Adelene Girlfriend Jean, Indigo size 6, and it's $58. So actually that's a really good price, $58 for jeans. They're nice quality. It feels like heavier, and yet still has a lot of stretch, which I like. They kind of feel very similar to those Studio Blue jeans I got last time. But yeah, I'm a little worried about the fit on this one, because it does look like it might be too big, but you never know. And I think with girlfriend jeans, they're supposed to be on the bigger side. I don't think these are petite though. The other ones were petite, so these might be kind of long, but we'll see. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitch Fix box this month. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here are the Pink Clover striped top and the JUDY Blue jeans. I think it was JUDY Blue. And Kaya's playing in the side here. Anyway, actually I really do like this top. I think it's really cute. It's so soft and comfortable. And like Holly suggested, I just went ahead and I did a front tuck. I think that looks cute. So these jeans actually, I think, fit, because they're actually supposed to be girlfriend jeans. So they're supposed to be more on the relaxed or looser look. They are a little long, so I rolled them, but I think that's actually how these kind of jeans are supposed to look. And I added a belt just to make sure it doesn't fall off. Although it's actually not really that big. Yeah, so I think this is a very cute, kind of a different look, I think. So yeah, and then the shirt has these buttons on the back that makes it a little more interesting. And I guess you could also just wear this top out and wear it more like a tunic leg, which, as we all know, is not the most flattering look for petite people. But yeah, I really do like these two pieces, and we'll see how this whole fix works out, because if this is a 5 for 5, these would definitely be keepers. Okay, so here is the Skies Are Blue top. And you know, I really do like this top. It's pretty, it's different. It has 3/4 length sleeves with an elastic band. It's a little, I think it's a little on the loose side, but I know it's supposed to be loose and flowy, and this is a petite, actually. It's a medium petite. Yeah, so we'll see. I don't know if I should try to size down to a small petite. And I just have it paired according to the style card with some, these are more straight or boot cut, kind of a slim boot cut jean. And these are the only non-skinny jeans that I currently own. So yeah, it's a darker wash than the style card, but I think it looks nice. And yeah, I do really like this top. It's so comfortable. So we'll see. Definitely a possibility, but it is $58, which I think is a little expensive for this top. Okay, and here is the Fun to Fun top. And this is the one that I already have, the same top in red. But yeah, this is cute. It's just a very easy to wear print, I think. I think it's nice. And very Christmassy because it has green and red. I just have it out, and actually these are those studio blue jeans that I got last fix or last month, and as you can see, I think they're very easy to wear, comfortable, and these I actually already wore, so you can see that I don't think they stretched out that much. So they're just very comfortable, and I think they're good. And according to style card, she had it with some boots, so I have these very comfortable boots that I got, I think, from Famous Footwear last year, and it was clearance. And let's add a bag. So this is my favorite Kate Spade bag, my everyday black bag, and the strap snapped this summer when I was on a trip, unfortunately. So I had to figure out a way to make it work, but yeah, so. I still haven't bought a replacement bag because I love this bag so much. I might just see if I can get a new. Okay, and here is that black dress, which I wasn't expecting much because it's just a basic black dress. But you know what? I like the way it falls. It's a nice cut where it's kind of slim on top and then it gets more flowy on the bottom. So I think that's, and I have dogs right here. I think that's a good cut. So yeah, I like this. I think it's nice. I mean, you could probably get something very similar, I know, at Old Navy, but I think the cut is better somehow. Okay, and according to the style card, she has it with a light wash denim jacket. So let's see. And this is a jacket I got from Target, and I still haven't worn, so we'll see if I'm gonna keep it, but I think I might. But yeah, it's a nice light wash. It could be a little more cropped for my liking, but I think it's okay. Yeah, so here it is. According to the style card, with a light wash denim jacket. I didn't wear sneakers with this. I just have these Monroe slides, which I really love. They're so comfortable. They're just as good as sneakers. But anyway, yeah, so this is a very tempting possible 5 for 5 fix so far. Okay, so wow, I actually was very impressed with this fix. I thought there wasn't anything in this fix that I did not like. I actually liked everything, and we'll see. I think possibly this top might be a little big, so I can look online. It's kind of windy, sorry, the door is banging. See if I can get a different size, but overall, very nice. But okay, but first let's go over the invoice. Oh, not bad. Okay, so my total for this fix prior to any discounts was $226, which is not bad. And if I were to keep all 5 items, I'd get 25% off, which would bring my order subtotal to $169.50. So I think that's actually not a bad price, you know, because I got a pair of jeans, a dress, and 3 tops, including this top, which I consider more of a dressier top. So, I am very tempted, and I want you to help me out, so please comment below what you think, if this is a 5 for 5, and if I should go for it, and also if you think I should size down on this top. Let me know. Oh, and maybe even the jeans, because these were, I mean, I know they're supposed to be girlfriend cut jeans, but it seemed like it could be sized down a little bit, or do you think it looks nice with the oversized look? Let me know. Yeah, because I think this top for 30, was it 38? Oh yeah, no, 34 from Pink Clover. And you know, I've received some items from this brand before, Pink Clover, and I don't know if I've ever kept anything, but they do have some really cute, comfortable clothes. And this fabric is really, really incredibly soft, and you'll see it's like kind of almost brushed cotton or something, and then in the inside it's like a little, it's a thicker material. I think it's almost like a French terry, but it's not. And this is the top that's exactly the same as what I'm wearing in a different print, but I like it, so I think I would definitely wear this. So I'm thinking of keeping this. This actually, I didn't style it that way, but I think it would look really good with white jeans, and I love white jeans. This black dress, I actually have several other black dresses very similar, but I kind of like this, and if I could get a 5 for 5, oh, and this is only $38, I think it might be worth keeping. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think and help me decide. I'll probably try to get this video up as fast as possible. I know I've been kind of slowing down on my videos, and it's just because I've been working a lot. I was trying to get out 2 videos, like film 2 videos at once, but then, you know, it just felt very rushed, and I didn't feel that the videos were as good as they could have been if I had just filmed one at a time. Because I know it's quicker to batch the videos somehow, but for me, I don't think it works, and it's just not as enjoyable when I'm just kind of rushing. So there'll be a slowdown, but I'll still be posting videos. I was planning to film another video for my $100 hauls, the second one. So I ordered a bunch of stuff from Walmart. So it's interesting to see. So I got 7 items for that haul for about $100, and this is 5 items for $170. So yeah, Walmart, you can get a lot more for your money, but is it as good? Is it going to be as worth it? Like, this is nicely picked out for me and all really cute, so I don't know. We'll see what I get. I haven't opened it yet. Phew, but I will. I don't know if I'll do it today or maybe next week, but anyway. Okay, and also this is very spur of the moment, but I just decided let's do another giveaway. I did one a couple months ago, I think, and I gave away a $50 Stitchfix gift card. So let's give another one away. And what I'll do is I'll put a Rafflecopter link in the description box below. I'll have to set that up. And with the Rafflecopter, I think you just have to sign up for an account and give your email address. But if you don't feel comfortable doing that, just comment down below. So you can enter 2 ways, either by leaving a comment to this video, and being subscribed, or entering through the Rafflecopter link. But anyway, yes, I just want to do that as a special end of the year, and thank you for you guys for being awesome and supporting my channel. Okay. But anyway, yeah, so now it's time to say goodbye, and I'm going to bring in my only furry companion that's sitting here right now, and that is Kaya, because I don't know where Sammy is. She's not here. So anyway, it'll be Kaya. Kaya! Okay, and here is Miss Kaya, and oh, I think she's a little exhausted because my husband took them for a walk this morning, you know, giving me a break, and it was just raining because it's winter in Hawaii, so we don't get snow. We do get a lot of rain though, so right now it's kind of ugly. Shucks. But yeah, she got all wet, and when she came back, you know, she had to get dried off. And I don't know if you have dogs, but whenever they get wet, they just go crazy, running around the house. Yeah. I tried to blow dry her though, but she didn't like it, you know. Okay, but anyway, that's all I have for today. Don't forget to enter the video. Oh, and give me some advice too on these items, what you think I should do. If it is a 5 for 5, I think it is, you know, but let me know what you think too. But thanks again for watching. I want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas. Hopefully I'll get this up before then. But yeah, so Merry Christmas, and thanks again. Bye.